Yeah, grammar in motion. I am working now, feel the sound. You are studying, look around. He is running fast today. She is riding on the way. It is jumping up so high. We are speaking, you and I. They are listening, hear the beat. Action moving with the beat. Right now, hear the sound. Action happening all around. At the moment, feel the beat. Present continuous on repeat. Right now, feel the flow. Watch the action as it grows. Purpose, energy, that's the key. That's the tense we use, you see. I am breathing now, clear and slow. You are riding, let it flow. He is working today again. She is learning with her pen. It is moving, can't you see? We are talking currently. They are watching what we do. Action happening in view. Action happening all around. At the moment, feel the beat. Present continuous on repeat. Today, not currently. That's the tense for what you see. Action moving.